Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we're going to be focusing on the best automated trading platforms and apps that can take the stress out of your trading by executing strategies for you with speed and precision. Right platform can be the difference between consistent growth and missed opportunities. So it is important you understand what each one offers and how it can fit into your trading style trading. So stay with me until the end because you will discover the strengths of each platform and which one may be the best choice for you. We start by understanding what automated trading platforms are, and they are software systems that execute trades on your behalf based on a pre-programmed rules and strategy. Now, these platforms remove human emotions from trading decisions and can operate 24 hours a day, scanning the market and executing trades faster than any human trader could manage. The key to successful automated trading lies in choosing the right platform that matches your trading style, technical skill and market preference. Let's examine the top platforms that have proven themselves in the competitive world of automated trading. The first platform is called the MetaTrader 4, which remains the undisputed king of retail forex trading. And for a good reason, since it has been launched since 2005, the MT4 has maintained its position as the most widely used trading platform globally, with over 750 million used trading platform around the world across many devices. What makes the MT4 exceptionally for automated trading is its expert system, its expert advisor system, which allows you to run sophisticated trading robots that can analyze the market and execute trade without consistent supervision. The expert advisors are the heart of the MT4 automated trading capability. They are programmed they are programs written in the MQ in MQL4 language that can analyze price movements, apply technical indicators, and execute trade based on predetermined criteria. You can purchase professional developed EAs from the MetaTraders market, downloaded ones or free ones from various online community, or hire developers to create custom solution for your specific trading strategy. The backtesting feature in the MT4 allows you to test your automated strategy on historical data before risking real money. The strategy tester provides detailed reports showing how your EA would have performed over different time periods, helping you optimize your parameters and understanding the potential risks. This backtesting capabilities is essential for any serious automated trading approach. However, the MT4 do have limitations. This platform is primarily designed for forex trading, and while some brokers offer other instruments, the focus remains on currency pairs. Additionally, the MT4 technology is showing its age compared to the newer platform, particularly in terms of user interface, design and some advanced features for modern traders experts, which leads us to the next platform, which is called the MetaTrader 5. The MetaTrader 5 shows and represents the evolution of the MetaTraders platform, addressing many of the MT4's limitations while introducing powerful new features for automated trading. Released in 2010, the MT5 was designed for handling multiple asset classes, making it suitable for traders who want to automate strategies across forex, the stocks, the commodities, and even cryptocurrency from a single platform. The most significant improvement in the MT5 is its enhanced MQL5 programming language. The MQL5 is more powerful and flexible than the MQL4, allowing developers to create more sophisticated expert advisors, that's EA, with better performance and more complex logic. The language supports object-oriented programming, making it easier to develop and maintain complex automated trading systems. The MT5 Strategy Tester, or the Strategy Expert Advisor (EA), it supports multi-currency backtesting, meaning you can test your EAs that trade multiple instruments simultaneously. The tester also involves cloud computing capability, allowing you to use the MetaTrader quote network of servers to speed up optimization process that may take hours of your local computer. Now, the platform depth of market futures provides level 2 pricing information, which is crucial for automated system that needs to analyze order book data. Now, this feature gives your expert advisors access to information about pending orders and different price levels, enabling more sophisticated entries and exit strategies. The MT5 introduced additional order types that enhanced automated trading capabilities. The platform supports 6 pending orders compared to the MetaTrader 4 that supports just 4, including buy limits, stop limits, sell stop limits order, market execution. These additional orders types allows for more precise trading management and risk control in your automated system. Now, the economic calendar integration in the MetaTrader 5 is particularly valuable for automated trading. Your expert advisor can access real-time economic news and data release, allowing them to adjust trading behaviors around high-impact news events. This integration helps prevent automated systems from taking position during volatile news periods that could result in unexpected loss. Now, despite the improvements, the MT5 has faced slow adoption compared to the MT4. Many traders and brokers have been reluctant to switch from the MT4 established ecosystem and the learning curve associated with the MQL5 has been reduced. Additionally, many expert advisors developed for MT4 require significant modification to work on the MT5. Now, with all this said, this will lead us to the next trading platform, which is known as our TradingView. The TradingView has a revolutionized how traders approach technical analysis and social trading. Unlike the MT4 and MT5, the TradingView isn't primarily an execution platform. It is a web-based charting and analysis powerhouse that has become the gold standard for technical analysis across all financial markets. What makes the TradingView exceptional is its charting capabilities. The platform offers institutional grade charts that are both beautiful and incredibly functional. You can analyze the financial markets or any financial instrument from stocks to the Forex market, crypto, index, bond, and so on and so forth. The interface is clean, modern, and intuitive, making it accessible to beginners while providing depth that the professional traders would need. The social aspect of the TradingView is equally compelling. The platform hosts a massive community of traders who shares ideas, analysis, and strategies. You can follow successful traders, see their published charts, and even receive notification when they post new trading ideas. This creates a learning environment which you can observe how experienced traders approach the market. Now, the TradingView has a Pine script programming language allowing you to create custom indicators and strategies. Unlike your expert advisors in the MetaTrader, the Pine script is designed to be more accessible to traders without any complex indicator or any extensive programming background. You can actually create a complex indicator, screening tool, and even an automated strategy that can be backtested directly on this platform. One of the TradingView's strongest feature is its alert system. Alert system, you can use it to set up alerts technical based on price levels. You can also set up based on technical indicator signals or even custom Pine script condition. This alert can be sent directly to your phone, or it can be sent directly to your email. It can play sound on the app and so on and so forth, allowing you to automate parts of your trading workflow. However, the TradingView's main limitation is execution. While the platform has partnered with several brokers for different trading, the execution capability are not as robust as dedicated trading platforms. Many traders use the TradingView for analysis and then switch to their preferred broker's platform for actual trade execution, which creates some workflow friction. Which leads us to the last but not the least trading platform, which is known as the cTrader. The cTrader represents the professional tier of retail trading platform, offering institutional level features wrapped in a well user-friendly interface. It is developed by Sportware. The cTrader has gained significant traction among serious traders who demand advanced automated trading capabilities and transparent market conditions. The platform's seedbot features provide sophisticated automated trading functionalities known as the C programming language. Unlike your perpetual language used by MetaTrader platform, your cTrader language is widely used programming language, mainly meaning you have access to a larger pool of developers and more extensive documentation. This makes developing and maintaining automated trading system more straightforward and cost efficient. The cTrader Level 2 pricing gives you automated system access to complete order books, showing all pending orders from other market participants. This transparency allows your cbot to make more informed decisions about entries and exit points, potentially improving execution quality and reducing slippage. The platform copy trading features called the C-mirroring. The C-mirroring goes beyond simple copy trading. You can set up sophisticated copying rules that adjust position size based on your account equity, set maximum risk level, copy traders and even apply features based on market conditions. This level of control makes the C-mirror suitable for serious traders who wants to automate their trading through signal flowing while maintaining risk management control. This platform offers other types that are particularly useful for automated trading, and you can use iceberg orders to hide large position, set up your conditional orders based on your multiple criteria, and even create orders
that adjust based on market volatility. These features gives your automated system more flexibility in how they manage position. The cTrader API access allows for custom integration with third-party tools and services. You can connect your automated trading system to external data source, risk management tools, or even create custom interface for managing your trading operations. The level of integration is typically only available in institutional platforms. One limitation of cTrader is its small broker network compared to MetaTrader's platform. While the platform is gaining adoption, you have fewer broker choice, which might limit your ability to find exact trading condition for automated strategies required. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.